Hey guys, welcome to the channel and hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you few easy nail art designs using the dotting tool. Dotting tool is a basic nail art tool and it has got rounded tips in various sizes, so you can create n number of designs using the dotting tool. I started my nail art journey with dotting tool. If you're a beginner or you're just looking for some quick nail art designs to flaunt your nail look, then I think you can watch this video till the end. And I'm going to give you some tips also here. So for the first design, I have used this purple color as a base coat and I'm using black and white color. As you saw here, I always clean my dotting tool before using another color, or even if the color is dried on the dotting tool, then also you need to clean it so that dots would be proper. For this design, I'm using the medium size and large size dotting tool and I'm using white and black color over here. As you can see, I am putting the dots on the nail in a random fashion. I'm not following any specific pattern. I'm just putting the dots on the tip of the nail, and that randomness really makes this design very beautiful. Then I seal this design with the top coat, and this is the very important step to get the long lasting manicure. If you try this design at home, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, you can create this design using different colors of your choice. For the next design, I'll be using the medium size dotting tool, and this is the most simple nail art design, or maybe you can say the beginner friendly nail art design with which I really started my journey. So here I'm using white color. I'm just putting 5 dots one after the other in round fashion so that I'll create a flower design. So this is a very simple design, but you need to have a little bit of practice to create this design. And once you are ready to make this design, I think you will be able to make different patterns using this simple flower on the nails. So this is really a very simple but always in fashion kind of a design. Here, as you saw, there are 5 dots you need to join to create this flower, and once the petals are created, then you just have to put a dot into the middle so that this flower will look as a flower. And this is a beautiful design. I always love this design. As usual, you just have to add a coat of top coat to seal this design, and while applying the top coat, you just have to be a little bit careful. Have a sufficient amount of top coat on the brush so that it will not smudge the nail art. For the next design, I'm using this beautiful sky blue color as a base coat, and I always apply 2 coats of polish on the nails to get the perfect coverage. Let me know how you use it. But once you apply 2 coats of nail polish, I think that nail polish also stays for the longer time. So this is also one of the tips to get the long lasting manicure. Now I'll be creating a beautiful design on the nails. While creating the design with the dotting tool, you need to take a drop of nail polish on the plastic or on paper, and then take the nail polish on the dotting tool to create the design. Now here it's a very simple step, but still I mention it because I'm talking about the beginner friendly designs and the beginners will get some help out of it. So here again I'm creating a floral pattern. I created 5 dots and then I joined them in such a way that it will create a flower. Here, as you can see, there is the space between the dots to create this flower, and then I just joined them in the middle. So this is also one of the kind of a floral design which is a basic design, but that really looks very beautiful. I have used black and white color. You can use any colors of your choice. You can either create a single flower or numerous flowers. You can use your own creativity, but this design will definitely look beautiful on the nails, and people will ask you about this design if you create this design on the nails. And use the contrast colors. If you're using the very light base, then use the dark colors to create the flowers, and vice versa. This is the tip I can give you. And apply a coat of top coat, and this is a compulsory step. For the next design, I'm using this Zudio polishes, and I'm using yellow and red colors, and I'll use the medium size dotting tool. You can also use a medium or small size dotting tool to create this design. So see how we are creating the beautiful pattern on the nails using 2 colors. Here I apply 2 coats of nail polish, as I mentioned, to get the perfect coverage. and to get the long lasting manicure. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using the contrast colors. I used yellow color as a base, so I'm using red color to create the design. And here I'm putting 2 dots one after the other, and I join those dots to create the heart design. This is a very simple nail art design, a basic nail art design, but this is always in trend, and this will really add a beautiful look to your manicure. So rather than just applying the nail polish on the nails, you can just create one single heart on the nail polish, and that will really make your nail look beautiful. As my nail is longer, I'm creating 2-3 hearts on the nail. If your nails are shorter, then you can create only one or single heart on the nail. That will also look beautiful. You can create this kind of design on Valentine's Day, on engagement day, on wedding day. Seal your manicure with the top coat and get the long lasting manicure. And this step is must for any manicure. You can create this design using different colors and make your manicure more interesting. For the next manicure, I'm using white color as a base coat, and I have seen that white color is less opaque and you need to apply 2 coats to get the perfect opacity many of the times. So here also I applied 2 coats, and after that I'll create my design using the dotting tool. Here I'm using different colors to create this design, so this is going to be a colorful design. First I'm using this sky blue color, and I'll create the random patterns or random dots. You can't call them as dots, those are random patterns only. The first one was a sky blue color. Now I'm using peach color, and I'm creating the random pattern again on the nails the same way I created it for sky blue color. Now I'm using blue color and again creating the same pattern. After that I'll be using black color, and here the real fun starts. I am creating the leopard kind of a pattern on the nails, and this design is a very common design, still in trend. So this kind of design you can create using different colors, a single color, but this pattern really looks beautiful. And here you don't need to be specific, you can create random pattern. You can add some black dots also in between these colors. So this is a beginner friendly design, and you can create this design on single nail and keep the other nails plain, or you can create this design on all the nails. You can use single color as per your own choice. So this is a very beautiful design, and I always love this design. And as I always mention, applying a top coat is a must step for all the nail polish designs. So seal your manicure with the top coat to get the long lasting manicure. For the next design, I am using white and blue color, and I am using medium size dotting tool. I apply blue color as a base coat, and I am using white color to create the design. The next design, you can't call it as a beginner friendly design because you need little bit more practice to create this design. So I am creating polka dot pattern on the nails using white color. Now here you have to mind the distance between the dot. So to create this design, you need to get a good judgment, and for that you need to practice this design a lot. And once you're pro with this design, I think this will become your go-to nail art. You can create this design using different combinations, different formula polishes. This really looks awesome. So here I showed you 6 nail art designs that you can create using the dotting tool. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, these are really beginner friendly designs, and you can start your nail art journey with these designs. If you like these designs, then please hit like, and which design you like the best, let me know in your comments. And if you are new to my channel, then I would like you to know that I create content related to nails, that is nail polish swatches and review, nail art, nail care, nail hacks. If you are interested in this kind of content, then please subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. Your support is really very useful to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.